Hi, welcome back to Graphixslice channel. Today we are going to discuss modify tools. So in this simple floor plan we are going to discuss modify tools. So first I'll go to the component to place a component here. So after placing a component, if I want to modify it, for example, so pick this here, automatically get a modify tool sets, or else you need to go to modify here. By with the help of ribbon panel, at last you will get a modify panel. So in modify tools here we have some set of tools in this panel. So what are those? Move, copy, rotate. So and other tools will be there. We will discuss one by one. So first, move. So we can use a shortcut command for move, mv. So we can move even walls also. For example, just hold the wall tool, just drag the mouse, automatically it will move the wall, even component also. So just hold and move. So when we are selecting a move tool, directly you can select, or else you can use shortcut command. So select the object which one you want to move, then enter. Automatically it shows some options in status bar. So in this status bar, so we have options like constraint and disjoint. So what do you mean by constraint? So without constraint, if I move the object from here to anywhere, so it is free. So 0 to 360 degree, anywhere we can move the object. When we take a move tool, if constraint is enabled, so you can't move anywhere. So you can move only in 0, 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degree, in 0 to 360 degree. So it goes orthogonal only. So that is, this is constraint. So next option is disjoint. So what is disjoint? So for example, whenever so component or else object moves, or else if it attached to any wall portion, here symbol will be there. See here, create or remove a length or alignment constraint. If I constrain the component with the object, so this component is constrained with the wall. Then if I want to move this object, so you can't move this. Why? Because this is constrained with the wall. At this time we can use disjoint. Disjoint helps to move the constrained objects. Select disjoint, select object, and I'm going to move this object. See, even though if it is a constrained object, we can move when we select a disjoint option. So multiple is applicable for copy only. So when move, it is in disable mode. So constraint and disjoint. Constraint means we can operate it orthogonal. Disjoint means if object is constrained with any other object or else wall, so with the help of disjoint, easily we can move the object. Even we can move this component also. See here, like this we can move from one place to another place. So this is about move. So next tool is copy. So for copy, shortcut command is CO. So select copy tool. So you can copy the object, just select anywhere. So this becomes a base point. Then anywhere you can click, you will get a duplicates. So once if I pick a copy tool, you can get only one copy of the object. So if you want more than one, then go to the status bar, click on a multiple. So now you can get n number of copies. See here. So now we are going to prepare disks or component n number of times with the help of this multiple option. So same again here. So when we are copying the object, so constraint helps to operate orthogonal only. So we can operate object only in 0, 90, 180, 270 degree. This is constraint option while copying or moving. So these are the two options we have in a copy. What are those? One is constraint, another one is multiple. Constraint is similar to move. In the multiple, we can get a multiple copies. So disjoint is disable here. So if I go with the copy, the component we can copy, and even walls also we can copy. Just copy this. So select base point and select displacement point. Here you get a one more wall. So main wall and then component wall. So next we'll go to the rotate tool. So we can rotate walls or any components. So go to the rotate tool. So shortcut command is RO. So I'm going to select the component. So select the component, enter, then you can rotate. See here. So again in sub option we have options. In status bar we have options disjoint, copy, angle and place. So place means where you want to define the center of the rotation. Select the place, so you can choose any corner as a origin of the rotation. I'm going to pick this one as the origin of the rotation. Then this is the start angle, click here. Then you can rotate any degree. Manually you can specify 0 to 360 degree anywhere, or else here you can mention the angle. For example, I want 90 degree, just specify 90, enter. So automatically object will rotate up to specified angle. So next rotate tool, I'm going to change the origin again. So here, then this is the starting angle. Next I'm going to change up to here. This is like this, we can manually operate this. And one more option is there when we are rotating the component here. See here, copy and disjoint. So if object is attached to any other component such as wall or any other tool, any other component, so then automatically it disjoints the component and automatically rotates as similar to move tool. So then rotate with copy. So I'm going with the center origin only, start point, then next point. So source object is available here, duplicates the object while we select a copy here. So angle we can specify manually, copy, and disjoint means if constrained with any component, then we can use disjoint. So place means to place a base or else to place a origin, we can use this tool. See, place. So default means click default, automatically it will adjust the first position or else default position. Place, manually we can change the base point like this. So like this we can rotate the components, whatever it may. Even if it is a wall, we can rotate easily. Select this, go to the rotate. So I'm going to place base point here, then start angle, then I'm going to rotate up to 30 degrees. See, wall will rotate like this, including the components assigned in it. So this is about move, copy, rotate. So in next we will discuss align, offset, mirror, and trim and other tools. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like. Thank you very much.